10 tips to eat well with diabetes. 1. Think whole. Use brown rice and whole wheat pasta. Look for 100% whole wheat flour and breads, and other whole grains like oats and barley. 2. Fill up. Aim for at least 8 grams of fiber per meal, especially when you eat carbohydrate-rich foods. It will help manage your blood sugar, keep you feeling full, and be good for your heart health. 3. Replace some carbs with good fat. Monounsaturated fats, nuts, avocados, olive oil, and canola oil can help lower your blood sugar. Just avoid huge portions so you don't take in too many calories. 4. Eat foods that won't spike blood sugar. Good choices that aren't likely to cause a big rise in your levels include lean meat, poultry, fish, avocados, salad vegetables, eggs, and cheese. 5. Go lean. Choose recipes with less saturated fat. 6. Check the fine print. Does your recipe spell out what the calories, carbs, fiber, and fat are? Then all you have to do is stick to the suggested serving size and you'll know exactly what you get. 7. Think plant fat. Make canola oil or olive oil your go-to ingredients. Both are rich in monounsaturated fat. Canola oil also has heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. 8. Make salads easier. Prep so it's super simple to throw together. 9. Slice up dessert. With a few chops of a knife, you can turn a few pieces of fruit into a beautiful fruit salad. 10. Outsmart your drink. If plain water doesn't appeal, you can try a fizzy, flavored but not sweetened water. Or sip no-calorie tea or coffee as the perfect finish to your homemade meal. Best with Diabetes program. Click link in my description to find more.